equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the cable of your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner. This process is essential for maintaining the efficiency of your device. Let's dive into the tools you'll need first. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of wire cutters, and a new replacement cable specifically designed for the Dyson HD01 model. Start by ensuring your vacuum is unplugged. Safety first. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. There are typically 4 screws to remove. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off the vacuum. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. Now, you'll see the internal components of your Dyson. Take a moment to inspect for any dust or debris. A clean vacuum performs better, so use a soft brush or cloth to clean the interior. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Next, locate the cable connection. You'll see where the cable is attached to the motor. Use your wire cutters to carefully snip the old cable, making sure not to cut any other wires. Once the old cable is removed, take your new replacement cable and strip the ends to expose the wires. Connect the new cable to the motor by matching the colors of the wires. Typically, you'll have a live wire, a neutral wire, and an earth wire. Twist them together securely and use electrical tape to ensure they are insulated. If you're unsure about this step, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. After connecting the new cable, it's time to reassemble your vacuum. Carefully place the cover back on, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping. Finally, plug in your Dyson HD01 and test the new cable. Ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your appliance and keep it running smoothly. Thank you for following along. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.